Alright. Get this premium gold. Return of the Bling. Gotta put the camera up a little bit higher because it's a bigger box. So, why not, right? Got my beautiful display box. I don't even care about that right now. Just gonna open up these mini boxes. Throw this to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mini boxes. First one, let's go. Let me get that gold rare blue eyes. 3 packs in each, 5 cards a pack. And 2, 3. You know what? I'm gonna open them up all up and then edit this out right about now. Alright, got my packs. Got my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 packs, 5 mini boxes. Let's go. Ooh, Frozen Lady Justice. Secret rare. Secret gold rare. I don't even know this dude's name. Dragoctis, Corrupted Nether Soul Dragon. That is also a secret gold rare. Whoa. Gores. Temple of the Kings. And Mystical Beast Circuit. That looks amazing. And I'm actually going to put those secrets in sleeves because they look amazing. I'm going to use the Konami Yu-Gi-Oh! Sleeves. Just have them sitting here, so why not? Because those secrets look amazing. I'll put those here. Everything else can just go right here. Next pack. Are you guaranteed 2 secrets per pack? I have no clue. And it's awesome that they're face down. So that I can flip them. Blackwing. Junk Giant. Ooh, Herald of Perfection. That's pretty cool. And Elemental Hero Neos Alias in the gold rare. I run heroes, so this is amazing. I don't even care about these other ones. Who wants Junk Giant? Come on, man. Come on. Oh, that Compulse is really nice. Wow. That is really nice. I'm going to put that in the sleeve too. Just because that is a nice looking card. Next pack. Actually, I need to grab more sleeves anyways. So, let's see what's next. And bam! Blackwing Tamara Obsidian Hawk Joe. Dude, that is amazing looking. I don't know if y'all can see that correctly, but the shine on that. There we go. Knight of the Underworld. Ooh, Barkion. That's really good too. And left arm of the Forbidden One in a gold rare. Oh, that is so sick. Okay. Oh, and I dropped this Rank Up Magic Force. You know what? I need to get more sleeves. Right back. Alright, I'm going to use these Kaiba Corp sleeves because they are pretty. So why not print some amazing looking cards in them. I'll put my left arm in one. Barkion in another. And this Blackwing, man. This Blackwing card is amazing looking. It's going to look really good on that too. And this Compulse, because why not? All these cards are beautiful. Some of them I don't really care for. But most of them look amazing. Alright, next pack. Oh, kind of messed that one up. What? You can see Cat Shark. That looks pretty cool. Ooh, Galaxy Eyes Dark Matter Dragon. that is one that I was looking for. I have a Galaxy Eyes deck, and I believe this is banned. I don't remember, but don't matter. Oop, kind of didn't focus there, but don't matter because I wanted it anyways. I'm gonna throw that in a sleeve, and also Cat Shark, because Cat Shark looks really cute, and I like the way it looks. So why not? And if you didn't see, we got Sinister Serpent and Grand Spellbook Tower. Pretty cool. Next pack. So far we only got one Neos Alias. I really would like another one, because it's beautiful. Ooh, Pedo Cerberus and Blackwing. Another Blackwing. Ooh, Traptrix Mermelio. And another Traptrix. Man, those are beautiful. I don't know if camera can focus, if it wants to focus, but those are beautiful in the gold rare. Of course, gonna sleeve those up because I know everyone loves their Traptrix. These Blackwing cards are pretty cool too, but not for me. Let's go. Next one. Ooh, and another Frozen Justice. I keep forgetting that these are upside down. Frozen Justice. And another Galaxy Eyes Dark Matter Dragon. Hyperion Regeki. Oh my god, dude, that Regeki looks so good. Oh, if you don't know, I pulled a LOB Regeki. It wasn't first edition, but you know, it's still very nice to have. And another one of these does not hurt at all, man. That is beautiful. I'm just gonna throw these in quick sleeves real quick while I can. This Regeki is absolutely beautiful. I love that. Next pack. And we got Rose Paladin as one of our secrets. And another Tristan, Elementary of Prisma, Temple of the King, and another Circuit. I think I'm going to put that Rose Paladin on a sleeve. Nah, you know what? I'll do that after the video. It's not going to hurt anybody if it sits right there. Next pack. About 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more. Ooh, and we got a Ghost Sharon, the Underworld Boatman, and another Cat Shark. Veil of Darkness is pretty cool. Traptrix Whole Nightmare, and Pot of Duality in the gold rare. That is amazing. That's going to get put in the sleeve for sure. 100% put in the sleeve. And also that Traptrix, just because it looks beautiful. Why not? And Mr. Cat Shark. Mr. Cat Shark looks amazing, and then with these Kaiba sleeves, it makes it look even better. Next pack. Thinking about buying another one of these. These are amazing looking cards. Ooh, another Blackwing Tamara. Greedy Saramea. Call of the Haunted. Charge of the Light Brigade. And Rank Up Numeron Force. Call of the Haunted is beautiful. I love that. Love the way that looks. Pretty nice. Alright, next pack. Let's go. Ooh. Blackwing, Nothing the Starlight. Another Blackwing. Materia Beast. Rekindling. And Traptrix. Atrax. Man, Traptrix are coming in hot on this one. You know what? I am going to sleeve these up in a little bit because my camera is running out of battery, and I want to get these last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. Alright, come on. Let me get another Neos Alias. We got another Sharon. Ooh, Mass Hero Anki, however you want to say it. But that is beautiful on the Goldseeker Air. I'm going to hurry up and put that one in the sleeve because I will 100% use this. I think I have one. And we got a solemn warning in the gold. Yes. Absolute staple. If you don't know by now, you better ask somebody. And next pack we got... Ooh, another Obsidian Hawkjoe. Parallel Twister. Really cool looking. Smashing Ground. Aramedes. Oh, and the left leg of the Forbidden One. Ooh. Don't tell me we can get a whole Exodia in this. Imagine the flex. The flex of pulling a whole Exodia gold rare out on someone mid-play. I'd give up Yu-Gi-Oh! If somebody pulled an Exodia on me and it was all gold rare. Completely give it up. Never play again. Sharon. Ooh, I sold. Bell of the Underworld. 5-headed dragon. Grand Spell. And Sinister Serpent. I am 100% going to put these in there. Let me hurry up. Because my camera is not agreeing with me right now. 5-headed dragon. Okay, last 2 packs. What can we get that we did not get? A Blue Eyes. I mean, if they want to throw in a Blue Eyes on me real quick. Or maybe an Exodia piece. Santa Claus. Another Sharon. Ghost. Ooh, and another left leg. Wow, that's awesome. That left leg is pretty cool. Any of those Exodia pieces are pretty cool. Last pack. Let's get a Blue Eyes, baby. Let's get a Blue Eyes. Let's channel our inner Kaiba. We got the Kaiba sleeves. Why not? Alright, let's go. Stardust Resport. Blackwing. Ooh, enemy controller. Preparation of Rites and Compulse. Oh, no Blue Eyes, but we got a couple of Exodia pieces. Some beautiful looking cards. I mean, beautiful. That Exodia pieces, these Traptrix, absolutely amazing. Look how beautiful the Exodia pieces look. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but amazing. Got an enemy controller. All these beautiful cards, but good come up, good come up. A lot of rarities that look amazing. Look at these Traptrix cards. I don't know if you can see or how good you can see, but they are amazing. Dude, this one right here, the Atrix, look at that. Ooh. Amazing. Amazing. So yeah, definitely gonna get another box of this. This was really nice opening. I really like these. I really like this. Neo's Alias. Oh my god, that is amazing. I just need 2 more of those. I mean, I think I only run 1 Neo's Alias, but just because I run a pure Neos hero deck. Well, not pure Neos. Most of it's Neos. But, alright. Catch you guys later.